Hi, I'm James Gosling. I'd like to show you something really cool. Now let's see if we can track down a couple of buddies of mine. It says they're over here.
Oh, hi, James.
Oh, hi. I've been looking for you folks. I used this to see if I could find you. So let's show the folks some of the cool things that you can do with these devices. Let's see if we can start a chat conversation. Very good. Gotcha. Now let's see if we can turn that chat room conversation into a conference call.
Yeah.
Hi.
Hi. Hi there.
Hi. So let's go and see how this all works. Okay, let me illustrate the architecture. I'm going to draw some pictures to see if I can tie all the bits together and show you how it all works. Okay, so here I am. Here's my buddy. And I have my lovely Nokia communicator, which is connected through the telco system into the infrastructure that contains a number of components, all instantiated as enterprise Java beans. And in the center of this all, there is a structure that is known as a context object. And a context is really a person's representative in cyberspace. So this is my context. My friend also has his own context. And these contexts are fed information that come from various other services in the rest of the infrastructure. So one of the services, of course, is the identity management system. And this feeds its share of the information into the context. There's also things like a location management system that feeds information about sort of where people are thought to be. And of course, the location management system gets its information from other places. Often it gets it through the telco Jane interfaces from somewhere out there. It can also get its information from, say, a GPS system. But these things all feed into the context that represents the individuals. Then there are services that are driven by Java apps in the phone that get instantiated here. We started with the buddy list service, and what that does is it acts on my behalf to get information out of my contacts, which describes who my buddies are, which gets it to my buddy. Information comes out of there back onto my screen so I can see who my buddies are and the information about them. Then I can initiate a chat from the buddy service, and so the chat gets fired up. This again grabs information from both of these, and it creates connections up here, and it also creates a connection to whatever device my buddy is using, and it may end up installing some software down there, and we can chat. Then when I want to go and turn that into a conference call, yet another service gets invoked from the chat service, and this conference call service may talk all the way up to the telco system again. That reaches around through here, all based on information with phone numbers and such that came out of the context. And all of these bits and pieces are all pieces of Java code here. And that, my friends, is end-to-end Java.